In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this gear next to the device and choose Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!